Meaning of hatchet man.
Hatchet man.
Hatchet man.
Hatchet man.
Hatchet man. The term hatchet man generally refers to a person who is employed to carry out unpleasant or difficult tasks, often involving the termination of employment or the enforcement of unpopular policies. The term is often used in a negative context, suggesting that such individuals are ruthless and insensitive. Some examples of hatchet men might include corporate executives who are tasked with downsizing staff, or political advisors responsible for carrying out unscrupulous campaign tactics. Overall, the term hatchet man implies a certain level of callousness and disregard for the well-being of others.